Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark. If you're new here, my name is Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer and Photoshop expert. Today, I have an exciting product to review, the BESTBOMG hair clippers and trimmer set. Whether you're a professional barber, looking to trim your beard at home, or searching for the perfect gift for your father, husband, or boyfriend, this all-in-one set might just be the best investment for you. Before we get started, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon so you never miss out on more awesome product reviews. Now, let's talk about why this clipper set stands out. The BESTBOMG hair clippers and trimmer set is a professional-grade kit designed for at-home haircuts, trimming, and styling. With 21 pieces included, this set offers a powerful motor, adjustable taper level, guide combs, and a long-lasting rechargeable battery. Everything you need for a salon-quality cut at home. So, inside the box we get a professional hair clipper, a detailed trimmer, 10 guide combs ranging from 1.5 mm to 13 mm for precise trimming, a portable carry bag, perfect for travel, charging cable and maintenance oil to keep the blades in top shape, and of course, an instruction manual. First impressions? The build quality feels premium, and the clipper itself is lightweight but sturdy. I love the sleek Y4T9 white color, it looks super stylish and professional. Whether you need a full haircut, a clean trim, or a detailed edge up, this set covers it all. It's perfect for DIY haircuts, professional barbers, and home users alike. The clipper comes with a built-in taper level, allowing you to adjust the trimming length from 1 mm to 3 mm. And with the 6 standard guide combs, you can cut at various lengths, 1.5 mm, 3 mm, 4.5 mm, 6 mm, 9 mm, and 13 mm, making it easy to achieve your desired hairstyle. The detailed trimmer also comes with 4 extra guide combs, 1 mm, 1.5 mm, 2 mm, and 3 mm, perfect for precise styling and beard trims. One of my favorite features is the self-sharpening stainless steel blades. They ensure a smooth, snag-free trim, whether your hair is dry or wet. No more painful pulling or uneven cuts. Battery life is super important, and this set does not disappoint. The rechargeable lithium-ion battery lasts up to 240 minutes on a full 3-hour charge. That's plenty of time for multiple haircuts before needing to recharge. The 6,000 RPM motor provides strong cutting power, yet it operates at only 65 dB, making it quieter than many other hair clippers in the market. Perfect for trimming without disturbing others. Planning to travel? No worries. The clipper supports 110V 240V, making it compatible worldwide. Plus, the included carry bag makes it super convenient to take on the go. Pros: complete all-in-one set, ideal for beginners and professionals. Long-lasting battery, 240 minutes, no frequent charging needed. Self-sharpening stainless steel blades, no snagging or pulling. Quiet yet powerful motor, 6,000 RPM, 65 dB. Portable and travel-friendly. Affordable compared to professional salon tools. Cons: if you have very thick or curly hair, you may need to go over a section multiple times for a smooth finish. The guide combs feel a bit plasticky, but they get the job done. Takes 3 hours to fully charge, which is a bit long, but the long battery life makes up for it. Absolutely yes. If you're looking for an affordable, professional-grade clipper set with powerful performance, long battery life, and versatile styling options, this is a great choice. Whether you're cutting your own hair at home or need a reliable tool for your barber business, this set won't disappoint. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Raminmark for more product reviews. Would you try this clipper set? Let me know in the comments below. Also, check out the link in the description to grab yours today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark, your go-to channel for the best product reviews in the electronics and grooming niche. If you're serious about your grooming game, you're in the right place. Today, we are diving deep into the GLAKER Beard Trimmer for Men, a 17-piece 6-in-1 grooming kit that promises to be the ultimate solution for trimming your beard, mustache, ear, nose, and even body hair. Here's what you get with the GLAKER Beard Trimmer. The main trimmer unit, sleek, ergonomic, and lightweight, 6 attachments including a precision trimmer, nose and ear trimmer, and body shaver, hair clipper guards in multiple sizes for a customized cut, USB charging cable and dock for cordless convenience, cleaning brush and oil to keep your trimmer in top shape. First impression? The build quality feels premium and sturdy. The black design with silver accents gives it a modern, professional look. Now let's talk performance. The stainless steel blades are sharp and provide a smooth, snag-free trim. It easily handles short and long beards without irritation. The body shaver attachment is super useful for maintaining a clean, even look across your chest and other areas. No pulling or discomfort, just a clean and precise trim. The powerful motor runs smoothly, and the battery life is impressive. 90 minutes of cordless use means you can trim anytime, anywhere without worrying about running out of juice. Versatile 6-in-1 functionality. One device for your beard, body, nose, and mustache. Sharp stainless steel blades. No pulling or irritation. Cordless convenience. Long battery life and fast charging. Ergonomic and stylish design. Feels great in hand and looks sleek. Affordable and value for money. Great features at a budget-friendly price. No waterproofing. Not ideal for wet shaving. Charging dock could be sturdier. It works, but feels a little flimsy. If you're looking for an affordable, all-in-one grooming kit that gets the job done, this is a fantastic choice. It's powerful, precise, and perfect for any man who wants to keep his grooming game on point. If you want to grab yours, check the link in the description for the best deals. If you found this review helpful, make sure to like, share, and subscribe to Raminmark for more awesome product reviews. Let me know in the comments, what's your go-to grooming tool? Let's chat below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Hey everyone, welcome back to Raminmark. If you're looking for the perfect beard trimmer that does it all, from shaping your beard to trimming your nose and ear hair, then stay tuned. Today, I'll be reviewing the Brightup Beard Trimmer for Men, an electric razor and grooming kit that promises precision, power, and performance. Let's see if it lives up to the hype. First things first, let's see what's inside the box. Right away, we get a sleek, modern design trimmer with a solid grip, plus several attachments, a precision trimmer, a nose and ear hair trimmer, different comb guards, and even a detail shaver. And guess what? It's IPX7 waterproof, so you can easily use it in the shower. That's a game changer. Look at this. Fully waterproof, no worries about cleaning it under running water. The stainless steel blades are sharp yet safe, giving you a clean trim without irritation. The grip feels ergonomic, and the cordless design means complete freedom while trimming. Plus, it comes with a USB charging feature, making it super convenient. No more worrying about running out of battery mid-trim. Now let's put this trimmer to the real test. I have medium-length stubble, and I want to see how evenly it trims. The powerful motor and sharp blades make the process smooth, no pulling or snagging at all. You can see the difference. Super clean and precise. It's also great for styling sideburns, mustaches, and even detailing edges for a sharp, professional look. One of my favorite features is the nose and ear trimmer attachment. Let's be honest, no one likes unwanted hair in those areas. And this makes it effortless. No pain, no pulling, just clean results. It's truly an all-in-one grooming kit, making it a perfect gift for men, whether it's for Father's Day, birthdays, or just a self-care upgrade. Pros: powerful motor for a smooth, snag-free trim. Cordless and USB rechargeable, perfect for travel. IPX7 waterproof, use in the shower, and easy to clean. Multiple attachments for full body grooming. Sharp, stainless steel blades that last long. Cons: it can be a bit noisy at high power settings. A full charge takes about 1.5 hours, not bad, but something to keep in mind. If you want to check it out, I've left a link in the description where you can grab yours. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more awesome product reviews. See you in the next one. Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to Raminmark, your go-to channel for the best and most honest product reviews. I'm Ruhul Amin, a professional digital marketer, founder of Raminhub and Raminmark, and an expert in Photoshop. Today, we're diving deep into an absolute game-changer in the world of beard grooming, the Beard Club Beard Trimmer for Men. If you want barber quality trims, ultimate precision, and a powerful, long-lasting trimmer, then stay tuned because this might just be the last trimmer you'll ever need. Alright, let's unbox this bad boy and see what we get inside. The Beard Club Beard Trimmer, sleek, all black, premium build. 8 color-coded guides, for an insane 45 unique trimming lengths. Charging stand and cable, rechargeable and cordless. Cleaning brush, for easy maintenance. Right off the bat, this feels premium in the hands. Solid build, lightweight, and compact, which is great for travel. Let's put it to the test. James Harden's favorite. This trimmer is personally endorsed by the NBA superstar himself. Ultra-sharp mower blades, cuts through both beard and body hair effortlessly. 7,000 RPM quiet electric motor, powerful yet whisper quiet. Lithium-ion battery, over 3+ hours of cordless use on a full charge. Easy maintenance, blades repel dirt and oil to prevent irritation. Travel lock, no accidental power-ons in your bag. 1-year warranty, peace of mind with a guaranteed quality check. One thing that really stands out is the powerful yet smooth cutting experience. With 45 trimming lengths, this trimmer gives you the freedom to sculpt, shape, and style your beard exactly how you want it. Whether you want a full beard, stubble, or clean fade, this trimmer can handle it all. Now let's put it to the real-world test. I'm using a 6mm guide for a sharp and clean trim. Wow! That was super smooth, no tugging, no irritation, just a perfect cut. Whether you're a beard enthusiast or a professional barber, this trimmer gets the job done effortlessly. One thing I love is how easy it is to clean. Just wipe it down with a damp cloth, or use the included brush to remove any hair buildup. No fuss, no mess. So, is the Beard Club Beard Trimmer worth it? Super sharp blades, clean, precise cuts every time, powerful 7,000 RPM motor, no snagging, no pulling, long battery life, over 3 hours of use on a single charge, ultimate versatility, perfect for beards, mustaches, fades, and body grooming. If you're looking for the best beard trimmer on the market, I highly recommend the Beard Club Beard Trimmer. It's powerful, precise, and built to last. If you want to upgrade your grooming game, check out the link in the description to get yours today. Also, let me know in the comments what beard style you rock and if you've tried this trimmer before. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more epic product reviews. See you in the next video. Stay sharp, stay stylish. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Raminmark. If you're new here, my name is Ruhul Amin, and I'm a professional digital marketer, founder of Raminhub and Raminmark, and a Photoshop expert. Today, I'm reviewing a must-have grooming tool that's making waves in the market, the Bevel Professional Hair Clippers and Beard Trimmer for Men. If you're looking for a high-quality, professional-grade trimmer that delivers precision and style, this video is for you. Let's dive right in. Alright, let's start. The Bevel Professional Hair Clipper and Beard Trimmer comes in sleek and premium packaging. Inside the box, you get the Bevel Trimmer in a stylish black finish, charging cable and adapter, a precision trimming guide, cleaning brush for maintenance. Right out of the box, the trimmer feels sturdy and premium. It has a nice weight to it, weighing about 2.2 pounds, giving a solid grip for precision trimming. The all-black design looks super classy and professional, definitely a statement piece for your grooming station. Precision trimming and styling. This trimmer is designed for ultimate precision. Whether you're shaping your beard, doing a lineup, or trimming your hair, It gives you a sharp and clean finish every time. The high-quality blades ensure you get a smooth cut without irritation. Perfect for all hair types. Barber quality performance. If you're looking for professional results, this trimmer is a game changer. It has a powerful motor that cuts through hair effortlessly, making it ideal for both personal and salon use. No snagging, no pulling, just smooth, seamless trimming. Cordless convenience. One of my favorite things about this trimmer is that it's cordless. Say goodbye to annoying tangled wires. The wireless design allows free movement, so you can trim comfortably without restrictions. Extended battery life. This trimmer packs an impressive 4-hour rechargeable battery. That's more than enough time for multiple grooming sessions. And trust me, you won't have to worry about charging it every day. Perfect for barbers, travelers, or anyone who loves long-lasting battery performance. Sleek and durable design. Not only does it perform well, but it also looks super stylish. The matte black finish adds a modern and professional touch, and it's built with high-quality materials to ensure durability. Pros: high precision trimming for a sharp and clean look, powerful motor for smooth and effortless cutting, cordless design for maximum mobility, 4-hour battery life for extended use, sleek and durable build for long-term reliability, ideal for all hair types, whether thick or fine. Cons: slightly heavier than other trimmers due to premium build, higher price point, but worth it for the quality. Overall, the pros far outweigh the cons, making this one of the best trimmers on the market. So, is the Bevel professional hair clipper and beard trimmer worth it? Absolutely. If you're serious about grooming and want barber quality results at home, this is the perfect trimmer for you. Whether you're a professional barber or just someone who loves to stay well groomed, the Bevel trimmer is a fantastic investment. If you're interested in getting your hands on one, I'll drop a link in the description below. Be sure to check it out. That's it for today's review. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe to Raminmark for more honest product reviews. Also, drop a comment below and let me know which grooming tool you want me to review next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay sharp and stay stylish.